what's up guys, Tommy here with another video, and today I'm on my Suzuki DRZ 125. I like to call it a pit bike, but some people might get mad at me for calling this a pit bike. I don't really know yet. But yeah, we're gonna go on a little adventure out to these little jumps that I like to go to on this bike, and we'll have some fun. I'll try to keep it under 15 minutes. And yeah, so let's go. Let's get this thing started up. Make sure the camera angle is good. And not, yeah, all right, I think that's a good camera angle. Hey. Put it first gear and little wheelie. It's just a nice sunny day out, as you can see. Heading up right next to the slough. You can see that. Lots of homeless people like to go there. And yeah, I like to be away from the bike path as much as I can, because in the morning like this, a lot of old people like to be here, and yeah, they wanna get you in trouble for having fun. So we don't want that to happen. So good. Alright. And looks like there's a bunch of kids here. Anyways, they'll probably like this thing. Let's do a little wheelie to assert our dominance. I believe we're in second gear. There we go. So, second gear wheelie. Oh shit. Okay, so I'm gonna start us off with this little jump that I like to do. It's very small, but that's because I'm scared of everything else. So that's very nice and smooth. God, that is so fun. Let's do this one more time. Smooth like butter. Let's do this. Ah, fucking hell. Oh. Put it right up in the second gear. Keep stalling. Goddamn, sometimes finding neutral is a son of a bitch. Alright, here we go. There we go, that was a nice one. Still gotta work on those though. I'm in the beginning stages of wheelie. And man, it feels good to be on this thing. Let's try that again. Actually, let's do this in first gear. Let's try to spin around. So right now I'm at 70 subscribers, and you know, I'm headed on the road to 100 subscribers. So all I want to say is it would really help a lot if you guys could just subscribe. You know, I work 4 to 5 hours on each video. You know, I'm doing this for free. I don't make any money off of it, and it really helps me know that what I'm doing you know, makes people at least somewhat happy when you subscribe. And you know, I wake up and I see a new subscriber on my channel, some change on my channel. That's always good. So if you're, you know, right here, if you're right here anyways, make sure to just go hit that red subscribe button. It's very easy, just one tap. Also leave a nice comment. Anyways, let's get back to the video. I had another GoPro and another GoPro case, but I lost the case, so I was gonna have a different camera angle, but I guess we don't have that, which kind of sucks. But anyways, this is still good enough. Probably look like a weirdo talking to myself. All right. Looks like they're doing some sort of a netting thing, catching fish. Maybe they're scientists. You can see there's somebody in a swimsuit, so that's cool. Hey. Alright, let's try a third gear wheelie. Oh my god. That does not work. Alright, let's get out of here. like some kids and their dad was there, so I don't want to, you know, be annoying. And it also looked like there's some people like catching some fish. I know there's like some endangered species that live in this slough, so they're, you know, probably working on that. There's always some like old person like fucking on their bike or walking, and they act like fucking stupid as fuck. Like they see this thing and they put their hands up and start like shaking their hands like what, and then, or they start like shaking their head like very dramatically. Like they're very dramatic around this. Some sort of chemical reaction causes them that. Maybe it's the 87 octane in the tank that makes them like that. I'm not sure, but yeah, they become very dramatic around this little dirt bike. Back to my house. Alright guys, so for the end of the video, I decided to come over here and do two little hill climbs for you guys that I'd like to do. One's on that side, one's on that side. See what I'm looking at. Okay, so we're gonna do the smaller one first. You gotta put in second gear. This one's honestly not that hard. So let's just do it. Yeah, this bike has no problem getting up that one. Uh-oh. Gets up it a little better than my scooter does. Okay, so let's go down right here. Alright, now we're gonna go up this big one. This one's a bit sketchy, but I think we can do it. It's no biggie. Alright, we just gotta shift midway up, so. Ah, there we go. That wasn't very hard at all. No, it wasn't. I'm gonna do that one more time, then we're gonna go ahead and end the video. So, get out this stuff. We're gonna head home. Put the horse shit. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave a nice comment while you're at it, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.